Space, the ultimate frontier, a realm of endless adventure and profound mysteries. But what does it really mean? What lies out there beyond the familiar stars and galaxies? Is there an edge to it all, a point where the universe simply ends? These are questions that have captivated humanity for centuries. We look up at the night sky, filled with a sense of wonder and a desire to understand our place in this vast cosmic expanse. The universe, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, seems to stretch out infinitely in all directions. But even the universe, as vast as it is, might have its limits. Scientists talk about the observable universe, a sphere around us with a radius of about 46 billion light-years. This represents the farthest we can see, limited by the speed of light and the age of the universe itself. So what lies beyond this cosmic horizon? The answer is both exhilarating and humbling. We may never know for sure, but the possibilities themselves are enough to ignite our imagination. To understand the concept of an infinite universe, we must first grasp the limitations of our own perception. The observable universe is not a fixed boundary in space, but rather a horizon defined by how far light has had time to travel to us since the Big Bang. Imagine yourself standing on a vast, flat plain. You can see a certain distance in all directions, limited by the curvature of the Earth. This is analogous to our observable universe. Just as there's more Earth beyond the horizon, there might be more universe beyond what we can currently observe. The light from these distant regions simply hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. It's like waiting for a message in a bottle to cross an ocean. The farther it travels, the longer it takes. But this doesn't mean the universe ends at this cosmic horizon. It simply means that our current understanding and observational tools are limited. The universe could extend infinitely beyond this point, filled with galaxies, stars, and wonders yet unknown. If the universe is infinite, what does that even mean? It's a concept that challenges our everyday intuition. We're used to things having boundaries, edges, and limits, but the universe might not play by our rules. Imagine a sheet of paper covered in dots. Now, imagine that this sheet represents a two-dimensional slice of the universe. Each dot is a galaxy. If you could travel far enough on this sheet, you might assume you'd eventually reach an edge. But what if this sheet were curved, not in a way we can easily visualize, but curved in a higher dimension, forming a shape we call a hypersphere? On a hypersphere, you could travel in any direction and never hit an edge. You'd eventually loop back around to where you started, though the journey would be unimaginably long. This is one of the mind-bending possibilities for an infinite universe. It might be finite in size, like the surface of our hypothetical sheet, but without any edges or boundaries. The idea of a hyperspherical universe might seem strange, but it's based on sound scientific principles. Einstein's theory of general relativity, which describes the nature of gravity, suggests that space-time itself can be curved. Imagine placing a bowling ball on a trampoline. The ball's weight causes the trampoline's surface to sag, creating a curvature. Similarly, massive objects in space, like stars and galaxies, warp the fabric of space-time around them. Now, imagine the entire universe as a giant trampoline. The combined gravity of all the matter and energy within it could cause space-time to curve in such a way that it forms a closed, finite but unbounded shape, a hypersphere. This curvature would be subtle, only noticeable on the grandest of scales, but it would have profound implications. It would mean that if you could travel far enough in a straight line, you wouldn't keep going forever. You'd eventually loop back around to your starting point, like an ant walking around a balloon. How could we ever hope to prove or disprove the existence of a hyperspherical universe? One intriguing possibility lies in the study of the cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB. This faint afterglow of the Big Bang permeates all of space and holds clues to the universe's earliest moments. If the universe were indeed finite and curved, then the CMB might contain patterns like echoes in a room, caused by light taking multiple paths around the universe and overlapping with itself. These patterns would be subtle and incredibly difficult to detect, but their presence would be a smoking gun for a closed universe. Scientists are actively searching for these patterns in the CMB using sophisticated telescopes and data analysis techniques. Finding them would be a revolutionary discovery, confirming not only the finiteness of the universe, but also providing clues about its overall shape and size. Even if the universe isn't a hypersphere, the possibilities for an infinite universe are no less awe-inspiring. Some theories propose the existence of a multiverse, a vast collection of universes, each with its own unique properties and laws of physics. Imagine a cosmic bubble bath, with each bubble representing a different universe. These universes might be connected in ways we can't yet comprehend, or they might be completely separate entities, each with its own story to tell. The concept of a multiverse is still highly speculative, but it's a testament to the boundless creativity of the human mind and our relentless pursuit of understanding the cosmos. It highlights the fact that our knowledge of the universe is constantly evolving, and what we consider impossible today might become tomorrow's groundbreaking discovery. The vastness of the universe, whether finite or infinite, can be both humbling and exhilarating. It reminds us that we are but a small part of something much grander than ourselves, a cosmic dance of stars, galaxies, and perhaps even other universes. But it also underscores the preciousness of our own existence. In the grand scheme of things, our planet, our lives, are but fleeting moments in time. And yet, within those moments lies the potential for discovery, for wonder, for connection to something larger than ourselves. We are, after all, stardust, forged in the hearts of long-dead stars. The very atoms that make up our bodies were once scattered across the cosmos, only to come together in this particular time and place to form the intricate tapestry of life. The quest to understand the universe is never-ending. Each new discovery raises more questions than it answers, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination. But this is what makes the journey so exhilarating. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, let your mind wander. Think about the vast distances, the countless stars, the possibility of other worlds, and perhaps even other universes. Embrace the mystery, the wonder, and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our cosmic horizon. For in the words of Carl Sagan, another voyager in this cosmic ocean, the universe is not hostile, nor yet is it friendly. It is simply indifferent, but it is not indifferent to our gaze. It is up to us to look with open minds and open hearts and to be prepared for what we may find.